How to create account on ChatGPT. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, open the ChatGPT app on your device. Now on your welcome screen, tap on the sign up button. At this point, you will be asked to choose how would you like to sign up. You can sign up using your email address, continue with your Google account, or sign up using your Microsoft account. If you choose email, just enter your email address and hit continue. Then create a strong password and click on continue again. Soon after, you will receive a verification code from the ChatGPT. Likewise, enter the verification code to proceed. Enter your full name and enter your correct date of birth. Once again, click on the continue button. Finally, once everything is verified, you will be taken to the ChatGPT home screen and your account is ready to use. And there you go. I hope this video helped.